Hello students, you will see the series of 400 multiple choice questions of science and technology for standard 10th class. Now let us see the 20 multiple choice questions on the chapter first, heredity and evolution. Question number 1, the process of RNA synthesis is called as dash dash. Option A, translation, B, mutation, C, translocation, and D, transcription. Correct answer is option D, transcription. Question number 2. The process of sending information from DNA strand to RNA strand is called dash dash. A option translation, B mutation, C transcription, and D translocation. Correct answer is option C transcription. Question number 3. The code for each amino acid consisting of 3 nucleotides is called as dash dash. A option triplet codon, B mutation, C single codon, and D transcription. Correct answer is option A triplet codon. Question 4. The proof for the fact that protein synthesis occurs through dash dash was given by George Bedell and Edward Tatum. A option genes, B cells, C tissues, and D amino acids. Correct answer is genes. Fifth question, carbon dating method was invented by scientist dash dash. A option Dr. Hargobind Khurana, B Charles Darwin, C Willard Libby, and D Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Correct answer is option C Willard Libby. Question number 6. Darwin had published a book titled dash dash, a natural selection, B mutation, C fall of sparrow, and D origin of species. Correct answer is option D origin of species. Seventh question, similarities in initial stages indicates the dash dash evidence. A option anatomical, B connecting links, C embryological, and D vestigial organs. Correct answer is option C embryological evidence. Eighth question, dash dash found in the human body is the vestigial organ evidence of evolution. A option bone in nose, B appendix, C liver, and D bile duct. Correct answer is option B appendix. Question 9. All plants have leaf venation and leaf petiole indicates the dash dash evidence of evolution. Option A paleontological, B vestigial organ, C morphological, and D anatomical. Correct answer is option C morphological. Question 10th. Peripatus is connecting links between dash dash and dash dash. Option A Annelida and Arthropoda, B mammals and reptiles, C fish and reptiles, and D Arthropoda and mammals. Correct answer is option A Annelida and Arthropoda. Peripatus is the connecting links between Annelida and Arthropoda. 11th question, duckbill platypus is connecting links between dash dash and dash dash. A option Annelida, Arthropoda, B mammals, reptiles, C fish, reptiles, and D Arthropoda, mammals. Correct answer is mammals and reptiles. Duckbill platypus is connecting link between mammals and reptiles. 12th question, lungfish is connecting links between dash dash and dash dash. Option A, Annelida and Arthropoda. B option, mammals and reptiles. C, amphibians and fishes. And D, arthropoda and mammals. Correct answer is option C, amphibians and fishes. Question 13. Scientist dash dash proposed the theory of inheritance of acquired characters. A option, Charles Darwin. B, Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. C, Hugo de Vries. D, Willard Libby. Correct answer is B option, Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. Question number 14. Dash dash man can be considered as the first example of wise man. A option, Ramapithecus. B, Neanderthal. C, Australopithecus. And D, Dryopithecus. Correct answer is option B, Neanderthal. Question number 15. The dash dash man evolved about 50,000 years ago. A option, Cro-Magnon. B, Neanderthal. C, Australopithecus. And D, Dryopithecus. Correct answer is option A, Cro-Magnon. Question number 16. Tailbone present in the human body is the proof of dash dash of evolution. A option, embryological evidence. B, paleontological evidence. C, vestigial organ. And D, anatomical evidence. Correct answer is option C, vestigial organ. Question number 17. Dash dash is useless to humans is a useful and fully functional organ in ruminants. Option A, wisdom teeth. B, appendix. C, lateral incisors. D, canine. Number 18. Out of following, dash dash is a type of teeth which is a vestigial organ. A, wisdom teeth. B, central incisor. C, lateral incisor. And D, canine. Correct answer is option A, wisdom teeth. Question number 19. Walter and Sutton observed the paired chromosome in the cells of dash dash. A option, butterfly. B, peripatus. C, grasshopper. And D, lungfish. Correct answer is grasshopper. Question number 20. About 10,000 years ago, dash dash started to practice the agriculture. A, gorilla. B, Ramapithecus. C, wise man. And D, Dryopithecus. Correct answer is option C, wise man. In this way, we have learned 20 questions on the chapter Heredity and Evolution. I hope that these 20 questions are helpful for your exam. Thanks.